Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize connect AWS S3 uploads into Bubble Apps, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Access the S3 service from the console dashboard. Create a new bucket by selecting the Create Bucket button. Name your bucket and choose a region that is geographically close to your target audience. Ensure the Block All Public Access option is checked for security. Click on Create Bucket to finalize the setup. Once your bucket is created, click on its name to access its details. Navigate to the Permissions tab within your bucket settings. Select CRS configuration to allow cross-origin requests. Enter your CRS configuration JSON, allowing your Bubble Apps domain. Save the changes to apply the CRS configuration. Next, go to the Objects tab to upload a test file if desired. Head over to the Policies tab to set up the necessary permissions. Click on Bucket Policy and paste in a policy that allows your Bubble app to access the bucket. Make sure to replace placeholders with your actual bucket name and account ID. Save the bucket policy to secure the necessary permissions. Now, open your Bubble app in a second tab. Get your API keys from the AWS IAM service for secure access. In the IAM section, create a new user and assign S3 access permissions. Generate and save the access key and secret key for this user. In your Bubble app, navigate to the API Connector plugin. Add a new API, naming it something recognizable, like AWS S3. Set the authentication to AWS Signature in the API settings. Input your access key, secret key, and the desired AWS region. Define your API calls for uploading files to S3. In your upload workflow, connect the file input to your AWS S3 API call. Test the workflow by uploading a file to ensure everything works correctly. Adjust any settings as needed to fit your specific use case. Finalize your app, ensuring all permissions are correctly set. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.